Why is starting a business online so darn hard? Are you frustrated? Do you know that you're doing the right things, or are you lost? Tell you what, I came out of 2 failed business attempts and in debt. I was ready to give up, demotivated, with low confidence and in debt. When I stumbled upon this training program that I've now partnered with, you can find it at malinlindbom.com down below. And it left me with a sense of being able to finally get some progress in my business. It gave me back hope for success as I learned these 3 things that we're going to cover today. These 3 things are vital knowledge that took me from being frustrated to someone that is slowly but surely building a business and income online. First piece of vital knowledge is that you have to set yourself up to generate leads into your business. Having a cute website is not enough, trust me, I know. And in order to generate leads, you have to know how online business models work, how you use the concept of funnels to generate leads that become customers and then raving fans or lifelong customers. A typical funnel is when you offer a free or very low priced product or service to your potential customers. And once they signed up for that product and liked it, you offer them something more, high value with a higher price tag. And in the process of getting potential leads into your funnel, you also want to start creating your email list. By creating an email list, you are creating an asset of names of people that you can market directly to with your products and services. Because listen, like I said, just having a cute website doesn't help, and posting on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is not the same thing as having your very own list of people that you communicate with. You can use those platforms to attract potential leads, to show the world what you're offering. But the audiences that you have there are not really your list. You can't communicate directly with them should you want to. You are dependent on the algorithms of those platforms in order to convey your messages. So once you get a lead into your funnel and they end up on your email list, you can communicate directly to them when you wish to. So that is your actual asset in your business, that list with people who have actively signed up because they were curious about what you have to offer them. And they might have a problem or an issue that they think that you have a solution to. So to that list, you can promote, educate, and entertain anytime you want. And so to dig deeper into this concept of business models and funnels, sign up at my website, malinlindbom.com, and I'll send you a couple of free pieces of information where you can deep dive into this. Your second piece of vital knowledge is your ability to niche down. I was spread all over YouTube growth, making money online, health and nutrition, and that meant my messages were vague. I was not specific enough, and people had no idea why they should listen to me. This really affected the effect of my marketing messages. Now that I have niched down properly, I hope my messages are clear. Third piece of vital information and knowledge is your customer avatar, your ideal client. Who is it? You can't say that you're going to market to everyone between 20 and 70 on how to make money online, for example. It doesn't work that way. If you try to market to everybody, you're not marketing to anybody. So who is my ideal client, for example? I'll let you take a guess. I'll give you 2 hints. Look at this face, look at the lines, and then also look at the B-roll, you know, the extra videos that are on top of this one in this video, and then take a guess who is my dream client. These are the 3 vital pieces of knowledge that took me from frustrated into someone that is slowly but surely building a business and income online. And if you want to dive deeper as well and become successful in your business attempts, put your name down at my website on malinlindbom.com, and I'll send you over a couple of free deep dive workshops. I'll see you there.